Alright, in this training video, we'll be looking at Introduction to Smartphone Graphics Design. Introduction to Smartphone Graphics Design. Alright, what are we going to be looking at? We are going to be looking at some basic tools in Pixellab. Pixellab is the app that we will be using for this graphic design. So let us explore the tools so that by the time we get to the practical aspect of it, when I call the tool, the name of the tool, you'll be able to know when I click on it. Alright. Here we have plus. Are you seeing this plus sign here? This plus sign is used when you want to add an object to your design. When you want to add an object to your design, not your background, your design. This is a design here, introduction. Let's say I want to add a logo or picture on this design here. I will click on this plus. When I click on the plus, since some icons are going to line up here, and when they line up, you choose. You have basic tools. Don't worry, by the time we go to the practical aspect of it, you see the tools. So you have basic tools, shapes. You have shapes. There you click and look for any shape of your choice. And you also have use image from gallery. So when you see that from gallery, click on that from gallery. It will take you to your phone gallery, and then you look for any image that you want to take, because it is believed that you have already downloaded the images you want to use for your design. So you just get it. And also, if you want to add text to the background, you also click on this plus here. Also click on this plus here. You will see text. Okay, you see text. Then click on text. It will come down here. You see it here small. Then you bring it here. During the practical aspect, you also see it. And that text box, you can use it and write whatever you want to write. But that's it. Then here, this is pen sign. This pen sign you are seeing here is for edit. If you want to edit something that you have already typed and you want it to be highlighted for you to write again, you click on that. And this is delete. This one here is delete. This one here is delete. Alright. Okay. Now, this one is undo. Undo. If you have typed something or brought in a picture or made any mistake and you don't want it, when you click on this arrow here, it's going to return to the former way it was before you did that particular mistake. And this one is redo. You clicked on undo and you want to bring it back to where it was. You click on redo. Alright. You click on redo. Alright. Here is save. Save. I want to save an object that you have already finished your design and you want to save. You click here. When you click here, this place you have this green circle here. When you click there, two things are going to appear there. Save in gallery, save as project. So you want the work to be saved in your phone gallery. You click on save on gallery. Then if you want it to be saved on as a project, they'll ask you to type the project name. When you type it, then you save it, it will be saved on Pixellab here as a project. This one here is here. You already know it's here, but this is zoom. Want to zoom your work. Zoom. This is quotes. Want to add quotation. Then these 3 dots here, you are seeing here. These 3 dots. Let me do for another color. These 3 dots here. I did not clicking. These 3 dots here. That is 1 to 3. 1 to 3. Have you seen it? So when you click on these 3 dots here, that is when you want to change your, the what is it called? This printable page. You want to change this printable page. So if you want the image size to be Facebook profile, WhatsApp profile, and all the profiles, it will appear when you click on these 3 dots. It will appear during the particular stretch. You also click, then you click on it. If you want it to be here, if you want it to be, it's going to show you different options, and then you choose any one you want. Here too, it's going to show you if you want to bring an already made background from your phone, from your gallery, that you use. Don't want this white background, don't want background from Pixellab, don't want to use color. You have a background you have already downloaded and you want to use it for your work. You click on these 3 dots, here. When you click on these 3 dots, it will show you use image from background. Then you click on it, it takes you, use image from gallery. Use image from gallery to take you to your gallery, and then you collect any image. You click on any image you want, and it will land here. Alright, the next one is texture. You want to use a background from Pixellab. Use this one to give you different textures. This is fill color. This fill color is used to fill your text, as this text is now. This text. If I want to change the color, I'll click on this fill color. This is paddling. So once this paddling now is you have to use 3D text, and you want it to bend a bit. You click on this. This is text size. If you want to change the size of this text, you want to increase it, you click on this place. This is relatively position. If you want your text to be at the middle position, you click on this. If you want to shift it to the left, to the right, or to the left, when you click, it is going to show you other arrows. During our work, you see it too. Then, this is for text. If you click on this, it's going to take you to edit your text. If you click here, it's going to take you to edit objects. This is copy and paste, you know. Alright. That is that. If you click here, it's going to bring other options. Let's look at the next thing we have. When you click here, it's going to give you style. You're going to see different shapes and the style that you want to appear. This is edit again here. This is also delete, copy and paste. When you bring an object and you want it to be behind another object or behind this text, you click here to the back. Then if you want it to be at the front, you click to the front. Alright? I've used it before. This is relatively position, like I said before. See the position, relatively position. When you click this relatively position, if you want this text to move to the right, you click here. Click this arrow here. Here. If you want it to move to the left, click this one. If you want it to move upwards, click here. If you want it to move downwards, click on this. There. This is text size, like I said before. I want to change the size. I've already explained this before. Yes, I have. Alright. This is opacity. This is opacity. If you want this text here to be fancy, you don't want it to appear as this bold, you want to put it like as watermark on the background. You click on this opacity. It will take you to line where you can reduce it by moving it back, by moving it. There's a line that will appear like this when you click on this opacity. So when you click on the line, when you touch the line, when you bring it like this, back like this, it's going to be reducing the opacity. While when you move it forward, it's going to be increasing it. Use the practical aspect of it. This is rotate. If you want to rotate this text, move it like this, or any object. If you want the object to rotate like this, like this, like this. You click on this rotate. Alright. Then this is font. Font. If you want to change fonts, this font, you want it to be different fonts. You don't like this particular font we use here. You don't like this particular font. You don't like it. You want to change to another font. Like another character. You click on this font. This is bold. If you want this text to be bold, click on it. If you want, this one is already explained. See how the ABC is. If you want this format, you click on this. It will take you to this place. Alright. It's text background. If you want the background, not the text itself. See this 4 line here. See this small line like this here. This box. That is text box. If you want the inside here, the color to change from white, this is where you click. And it will take you to any color you want to choose. I've already shown you the one for text. This is alignment. Like the way this my text is aligned center. If you click on it, it will bring left, right, center, and justify. So if you want the text, all of them to be on single line like this, for your left, be on single line like this. All of them move to the left. When you click this align, to show you left alignment. If you want it to come to the right alignment. If you want it to be centralized, where I did my own, you click on the center one. When you click this, it's going to show you, it's going to appear left, right, center. And if you want it to be full here, you click on justify. This is line spacing. It's line spacing. If you want the space between these texts, want the space between these texts to increase, you click on line spacing. You click. As you are drawing it, the space will be increasing, the space will be coming down. If you move it back this way, it will go up. Sorry. That the one I just explained is for this line spacing. Then this spacing here is for the text. Once the line between each character is N, you want to space between this N and C. I want just like that. This is very clear. This is stroke. Stroke is outline. In CorelDRAW we call it outline, but in Pixellab it is called stroke. So if you want to increase your outline, you click on the stroke. If you want to change the color, click on stroke. It will take you to color and for the rest of it. Alright. This is shadow. If you want to give your work shadow, one shadow to appear behind this background, click on shadow. If you want it to be in, the shadow to be inside, you click on this emboss. For example, you want this work to shoot up like, if you use 3D character and you want it to come up, you can choose this emboss. This is rotate. If you want the 3D character to rotate, you click on it. Perspective. I've not really found out the function. You can find it out yourself. I give it to you as an assignment. Find out the function of this perspective. Alright. And lastly, this is 3D text. You want this character to be in 3D form. Look here. 3D shadow. You want to give you a 3D shadow. You want to give it reflection. Come here. And there is that. Alright. These are the tools. Or let's say basic tools that you can use in your smartphone graphic design using Pixellab. Alright. See you in our next video, which is going to be the practical aspect of it, where you watch me make designs of logo, flyer, and flex. Alright. This is Loretex Graphics Academy Digital TV, and I remain your host, Maruchi Loretta Eli George. Thank you for watching. If you find this video interesting,